Hello everyone, in front of me is Xiaomi Book S, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using. Then mark More icon and select History. Here, click on Bin icon. And now mark all data that you want to remove. To perform a full cleanup, just mark each tab. Then select the time range over here so we can remove history from past hour, day, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. And now click on Clear Now. And that's it, it has been done. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.